Want to start playing the Fortnite game app, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Fortnite on iPhone. Now let's get started. To download Fortnite, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Fortnite at the top. Tap Fortnite when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start playing Fortnite. That's all it takes to download Fortnite. Want to try out other mobile games? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.